What's up guys, Sean here and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we're going to be playing Bed Wars. Never gets old. Okay, we might as well join there. Bar and into chest. Because I don't like the hot bar. If I'm gonna put the hot bar there, it sucks. Oh, I know this map. So I'll be the first one being there. If you want to know techniques to go down there, follow me. Ew, boo! I'm in here. See? Now we're gonna spawn here. Not know what team I am. I need to locate the clay one. Clay is here. Okay. We're getting bricks fast. So we are team purple. Oh, it's not handy to be purple. And in the next video later, we're gonna be playing Minecraft Pokemon Renef, a brand new Pokemon version remake by Pokemon Ruby. If you know Pokemon Ruby, you might know how to play it. There's also legendaries in there. We're going to allow walk through Wall Street, but not your candy cheats. I kinda already started, but I'm going to make it a no candy free mod. And no candy allowed. Finally. As you can see, I'm also watching Pokemon. So if Pokemon XY. So if you want to see me, if you want to hear the music, just fleet. It's a little bit annoying, so never mind it. I'm gonna make plenty of blocks. I should always go to blocks. I still did upload part 2 of Bed Wars because I'm kind of tired uploading it. We're already 3 hours on the video, 3 minutes in the video. So you can see here I didn't upload for a little bit, kind of from 2016 or 2017. I think 2016 I started this. I wish you could give me my respect. I mean I can earn your respect. That's why I wanna make this video, and I wanna distract other teams. Nope, I'm dumb. How did I just even jump? I'll just go for the kill. You know what I'm talking about. Killing. You're an iron golem guy. So I'll go to the next one, which is gonna be there. It has been destroyed. So you're orange, eh? Goodbye, sucker. Yeah, he's just gonna be out in the bed. Go team purple, go team purple. I know you can win because team purple. Go team purple, go team purple. So you are out in the game, other teams. Especially this team, orange is out. So the thing that we need to guard is the bed. I hope this is gonna be a very short video. For my name is at Balamar. Yeah, but my name's at Balamar too. Oh, very good, 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 very knockback stick, baby. Oh no! I died for no reason. So my bet is to we will guard this thing, and I want whatever. But yeah, I'm dumb. But the most important thing, we need to guard the base. Congratulations, your team won the match. So I could know that we're a master in this Bed Wars. Sometimes if team is good. So that's up for this video. Peace out.